Morning guys, welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. Today we are going to be doing a mixture of things. I'm meeting a friend for shopping with her children, and I am also going to be doing some orders. I've got some school work to do, so yeah, it's going to be quite a busy day. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. We are just about to pop out. I'm going to meet a friend for lunch. Jada has got training, and yeah, so me and Nevaeh are off out to the shops. Let's do this. So the girls don't want to be on camera, guys. I think it's a bit early for them, so you're just gonna see me for a little while. Come on in, let's get in.
Why are you going that way then?
I always go this way.
But the post office.
Yeah, we can go around that way.
Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of the vlog. We're currently en route to drop me to training. Next stop for them is IKEA. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Hey everyone, my name is Nevaeh. I'm in the car with my mum and my sister. This is day 4 of Vlogmas. Don't miss out because today we are dropping Jada off, and me and my mum are going shopping with her friend and her children. So you don't want to miss out. Stay tuned.
Hello, darling. Say hi. Where's Kyron? Kyron. Hello. You alright? Let's get a trolley. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. Guys, we are trying to find out if these two light shades,
yes,
lampshades are the same colour.
Are they the same?
Are they the same colour? Are they different? So the one on the left and the one on the right, are they the same? They are actually different, aren't they? They're absolutely different. Left, right. This is lighter than that one. And you can see it on the camera, look.
What about the one behind? The one behind.
The one behind
No,
is...
you might have to come at this angle here. Those two are the same.
Yeah. Oh.
Take it back.
Oh gosh. No, it's the light. It's the light that makes it lighter.
Do you know
I don't know. I know. Say it again.
You're not gonna look after her.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. that £18? So we're in the car, I'm with little one and we are just about to go home. I had a lovely day, but the day doesn't end here. I probably will be burning the midnight oil again because I've got some orders to do and I still have to do some schoolwork. But I don't regret it because I think, you know, sometimes we need to have a break from our normal reality and spend time with people who really matter. So it was a lovely day meeting up. I haven't seen her for a year now, so it's been a long, long time, guys. Good times, Dane. Good, good. I'll show you what I got. I got some Game Bar or Dime Bar. I always get a pack when I go, but I bought 2 packs because my mum asked me to pick them up for her. And yeah, I actually bought another pack, but I've already put it into my jar. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that my daughter's ate all of my last packet, and yeah, she bought me one to replace that. So over here I have my receipt, and I purchased these pots. I'm thinking of changing out the silver one that I have that I showed you in my studio tour for these. They are candle holders, but I'm going to use them as pen pots. So I got 2 of those, and I got a bunch of light bulbs. I think I got 8 packets of these light bulbs, and I'm going to show you what I got them for and why I got them. And these, I think that's all that's in here, and these are all inside of this clay flower pot. So I have this flower pot because I bought this Monstera plant. So here we have her. I haven't even taken out the plastic. As you can see, my desk is in a bit of a mess. I've got things that I have delivered for the business and I haven't unpacked them yet, and I need to do that. So yeah, here is my plant. I'm going to unpack her in a minute. And then over here I have my lighting, and I bought a cable kind of holder to kind of conceal all of the cables I have under my table. So yeah, I bought that and these light strips. But guys, I've already had doubts and I'm probably going to return the lights. I didn't find a mirror that could fit these lights on. I mean, they are quite long, and also not become like a bit of a health hazard. Hello, Holly. In terms of me maybe knocking the table accidentally and knocking the mirror down. So I'm going to take these back and take that back as well. I had doubts about the pot. It's more like a garden pot. It's not really a pot for inside, and it cost me £12, guys. Can you believe it? It didn't have a price on, and when I went to the till it was £12, and my friend got exactly the same plant and a clay pot, and hers was only £4. So definitely pulled the short straw there. So I'm going to take this back, and yeah, obviously I don't need the light bulbs if I take the light strips back, so they can go back as well. And yeah, so to conclude, I basically came away with just the Monstera, some pen holders and some treats. But I'll unwrap her and I'll show you what she looks like. So here she is. Harley wants to say hi. You saying hi, darling? Okay, so I just thought I'd show you what came in the mail today. Quite a few deliveries. So I just got some transfer paper, and this is the rainbow effect that I was telling you. It's called pink chrome vinyl holographic glitter, and this is something that I'm going to be using in the shop very soon for cash envelopes. And then I've got transfer paper as well. If you're in the know, you'll know what I'm doing. And then this one, who else likes unboxing? It's like it's my birthday. And then yeah, I got another one. This is a glossy rainbow. No, this is the rainbow one. So I've got this colour as well. So yeah, really fun cash envelopes coming your way, guys. Keep a lookout in the shop for those. And then I'm thinking this is probably going to be my new guillotine. So I don't want to open it the other way because it has my address on it. So let me try and open it this way. I think it's upside down. Okay, be careful with the blade. Okay, so I think these are handles. So this is the handle and some clips. And then here is the cutter. So when I put the handle on, I'm not going to mess with it too much, but it should slice like that. Love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited to use this. And then I'll say goodbye. I'll say goodbye to my little friend. So I probably will still keep this though. I just will be using this one a lot more. If you can hear some noises, it's the printer going behind me. So I'll sort that out in a second. And then the last thing, I'm actually not sure what this is, guys. I had an idea about the other two boxes, but I'm not really sure what this is. It might not be anything interesting, so sorry if it isn't. I can't remember what I've ordered. Okay. So, oh, here are the vinyl sheets. So, along with these fancy colours, we've just got plain colours as well. So red, purple, blue, green. I think there's 68 different sheets in here. I'll go through and show you. There's quite a few different colours in here as well. And I've got some acetate sheets. So again, another product that I'll be launching from the shop will be some dividers, and I'm going to be using these plastic sheets for that. And yeah, that is it, guys. So yeah, just a little unboxing. I'm just going to get on and carry on with my work, and I'll show you what I'm up to. I'm making a new product for the shop that I'll be launching in a giveaway that by the time you see this video, you'll know all about. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is how they look. I made a bit of the boob on the first one. This is how they are, guys. I'm using the December patterns, and I'm going to laminate them and cut them, and I'll show you the finished look. What do you think? So here is the finished product. If you want to be in with a chance to win your own set of dividers and a free wallet to go with them, then please do check out my latest budget video. It's to celebrate my first year anniversary on YouTube, so be in with a chance, so you have to be watching my vlogs. I hope you enjoyed day 4 and I'll speak to you in the next one. Have a good day.